got True Blue back in. He said, Rob, upgrade me. He went and got that tour pack. He said, get me off that blue and get me off that black and get me onto some blue. I said, what you mean blue? He said, Rob, I've been watching your videos, man. I seen what you're doing with that blue carpet, man. Go ahead and make me AMG me out. I'm like, oh, I got you. Came down from Fresno, do a turnaround. So he gonna stay the night with his folks, him and the wife, you know. And we finna break it down and bring it back up. Money's Car Stereo, the blue edition. Gotta go. Hey, look at that. We AMG'd him. Tour pack. Saddlebag. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. And the lid too. Yeah. That part. Now a True Blue. That's for sure. We out here, it's not like the baby gender reveal, it's like the bike reveal, man. Open that bag, man. Let me know what you're thinking, man.
Which one you
Well,
want
tour pack, whatever you want to see. You said you watched it on the video.
Yeah.
I threw all your stuff in there.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh, look at that.
So yeah, we, like I said, we AMG'd you.
Yes, sir.
And you know,
Yes, sir.
so you.
Man, that is clean. See, I thought it was a little lighter.
Uh-huh.
It's hitting right there.
Yeah, you know. Okay,
It's right on time.
yeah. Open that bag. Check
Right
that bag
on
out. Check
time,
that.
right
Check
on
that
time.
bag.
Yes, sir. Oh,
Yeah. See.
yes, all up in here too.
Yeah. That comes with all that. The lid service, all that, top to bottom, front, back, side to side, all that.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what I was looking for.
Okay. Well, we got you. You back in. We'll say you've been upgraded.
I've
We'll
been
put that.
upgraded.
You've been upgraded. For sure. For sure.
I appreciate it.
Money's Car Stereo. That's how we get down over here, sending them out smiling. And so we all good.
We are all good.
All right. I'm gonna let you bounce. You got your rain gear?
Yeah.
They say it don't rain in Southern California, but it's raining. It's raining right now. Raining right now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm letting y'all see what I see, and your keys are right here, young man.
Okay.
All right there. And we about to be on to the next one.